And then he fired. In one continuous movement, ito yung ginagawa ng attacker. He even had a lighter with him. If you'll see, the blaze was very immediate. And then he entered a private salon. Again, torched the area, torched another table. He torched the slot machines again. And then this is the bar 180. He again fired. Sinunog niya na naman yung yung mga slot machines. So really, medyo magalam ng konti. Yeah. So
If he's really a terrorist with all his ammunition with him, he would have shot everybody there. But he did not shoot anybody. He did not hurt anybody. He just burned the casino.
ayun. That's him. So they exchanged fire. So, ito na yung PNP force who were tracking also the assailant.